Good morning, December 30th, a Friday. As you can see, it rained last night. Now, I'm thinking that's no way to run a desert, but okay. So, today's effort was to get the steering box off. And this thing is the ultimate pain in the butt. You look up pain in the butt in Wikipedia and a picture of this steering gear will be there. But I reviewed some the YouTube content from some LMTV guys that are experts with these vehicles, Sean Filner and Dave Anderson. And Sean was doing some experiments using the steering box, and he experienced a hydraulic event which required him to replace it. So, but his replacement piece included this adapter to the frame. This adapter here to the frame, and these bolts here. He tried impact. He tried heating with a torch. I think he tried hand grenades and dynamite, and these bolts do not come out. And so the method is to take the whole thing out at the frame here. Oh, also, Sean had trouble with this piece. Would not come apart. He ended up sacrificing the arm there. Fortunately, his replacement power steering unit came with it, so he could do that. So I'm going to try taking it apart here, and if that doesn't work, then I'll take it apart there. Yeah. Anyway, to get this off of here, you have to be able to get to these bolts, and to get to those bolts, you've got to take off these cab mount sub-assemblies here, and to get those off you got to take these off, and to get those off you got to take the bumper off. And if I was to start anew with this project, what I would do is completely strip it down, the last nut, bolt, spring, hose, washer, rather than trying to work around stuff. It's so much more effort to try to work around a sub-assembly trying to get something else apart. Just strip it all down and then build it up the way you want. I'd have been done a long time ago if I'd have taken that approach. So we're just about ready to drop the steer axle out of here. Maybe tomorrow. No promises though. Talk with you tomorrow. Bye.